Thank you. Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip could be done metaphorically, but I much prefer to do it real in a substantive, real-world way. But it requires particular conditions, which I don't have here, and and that is to practice standing in water to go through your practice, particularly practice that would have stepping, so maybe a drill or a form. So this could be a pool, it could be a hot tub, it could be a pond, and it could even be a bathtub. Of course, we don't want to slip and fall, so we need to be careful, particularly in a bathtub. So use due diligence to decide if and when and how you can make this work. But the idea is to feel the difference between the water and the air when I'm moving. So particularly when I'm stepping and I feel the water that my stepping foot moves, I feel that water touch my non-stepping foot, for example. I feel the ripples, maybe I see the ripples move out as I step, like in a pond, I might see the ripples out there. And so to really be able to contrast the sensation of the air that I move through readily and so easily and so non-consciously so often, and contrast that with the feeling of the water. Of course, there's varying resistance between the water and the air. So if I'm moving too non-consciously and too fast, I could sort of have part of my body lag behind the other and I kind of lose the Tai Chi or even endanger part of the body, a joint or something. So let's be extra careful. So in terms of slipping and in terms of varying resistances, but kind of enjoy that. I like to do that with a muddy bottom. So enjoy, 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 and continue to plant lotuses. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.